As a freelancer on Fiverr, you have quite a good number of free options in which you can boost your gigs and get clients like never before. Remember, all these options are free. You only need to watch this tutorial to the end. In this tutorial, you will learn how to promote your Fiverr gigs as a freelancer to make money online. Fiverr.com is a leading freelancing platform where you can sell services in various fields such as logo design, voiceover, social media management, video editing, writing, and many more. If you are a freelancer on Fiverr and have been struggling to get jobs, it's crucial to create an appealing gig to attract clients. Having an attractive title, picture, and a video will help make your gig stand out and increase its chances of getting noticed. A picture is worth 1,000 words. So just compare these two pictures. Assume one freelancer had this picture in his gig, while the other had this picture in their gig. And finally, the last one had the second picture and a video in their gig. Definitely, the impact for the three freelancers will be different, and one stands a higher chance of being hired. A good picture is better than a bad picture, but a video is even better than a good picture. So make good use of videos in your profile to explain your gigs to the client. Your pricing and the quality of your work also matters, but having an attractive gig is essential to getting clients. To further promote your gigs, you can create your own website using platforms like Wix, WordPress, Squarespace, or others. Your website should include a portfolio showcasing your work, client testimonials, and links to your social media profiles to build trust with potential clients. A professional-looking website will also help you stand out and make you appear more credible to clients. You can see these sample websites and how nice they display the work. Another way to promote your Fiverr gigs is through YouTube videos. You can create videos showcasing your work, giving tips, and teaching others how to create their own gigs on Fiverr. Adding your Fiverr profile link in the video description will help viewers find your profile and potentially hire you for your services. Here, as you can see, these freelancers have adequately used YouTube to promote their gigs. Finally, you can promote your Fiverr gigs through Facebook groups. See the many groups that we have on Facebook and their followers. Some are in thousands. Joining groups in your niche and promoting your gigs to their members can help you reach a broader audience and potentially get more clients. With billions of users, Facebook can be an excellent platform to promote your services as a freelancer on Fiverr. In summary, to promote your Fiverr gigs, create a catchy title and a picture on your profile, create a website, create a YouTube channel, and finally, you can join a Facebook group. Remember, all these promotion methods are free, and you can share this video with your friends to make sure they also benefit and make money from home. Thank you for watching.